Hello Year 12, welcome to the first video here for ratios. What are ratios? We use them to compare two different quantities that are sort of similar in a way, or that use the same sort of units. I can't use them to compare kilometres and kilograms, for example, but I could use them to compare kilometres and metres. Righto, something like that. So we use these all the time for different sorts of things like fuel ratios in two-stroke engines, perhaps like that, or perhaps when we are preparing food or beverages, or even perhaps when we are looking at a map, we use a scale, which is a ratio. Anyway, for this first video here, we want to look first of all of just constructing a ratio. First thing we want to pay attention to is using the same units. So we need to make any unit conversion, right? And then we just combine those amounts. So here we go, 19 seconds to 2 minutes. The ratio is not 19 to 2 because they're different units. So I'm going to convert my minutes here to seconds. I'm going to say that 2 minutes equals 120, right? There's two lots of 60, 120 seconds. Therefore my ratio, is 19 to 120. That's what we're looking for. Now I might also need to simplify a ratio in the same way that we simplify a fraction by dividing top and bottom by the same number. Here we will divide each of these, I suppose sections is what I'm going to call them. Each of these sections of the ratio, we divide each of these by the same number. So 2 to 10. What could I could divide both of those by 2, and so that is the same as 1 is to 5. Okay, that's the simple ratio. 6 to 15, I can't divide them both by 2, but they can both be divided by 3, which gives me 2 to 5. A couple of 5s there. Now here, we can probably see fairly quickly that they can all be divided by 10, so this is 1 to 2 to 7. Okay, that is creating a ratio and simplifying a ratio. Righto, see you in class.